We are live back, and let's go back to where we were stopping back in the last one, where we're in this terminal, Ubuntu terminal, and we saw some missing fields in the task.toml file. If I have ls, you can see the terminus folder. And we have to make sure we include a full schema for task.toml is currently minimal, but the platform requires these services or sections and missing requirement tests. So what we're going to do is we're going to replace add tasks, rezip and reupload. Nothing else needs to be done from your task root. So if we go here, cd terminus, so we have this polyglot. If I go to polyglot, now you can see over here we have a couple of files here: environment, instruction, output, submission.zip, task.toml, and tests. So over here, what we're going to do is we're going to update or replace task.toml. So we're just going to copy this and we're going to paste that in. So making sure that this one has all the sections that we need. Actually, one thing that I need to change here is okay, it's not going to do it until I just had to change the email address on the author email section of the metadata. So I'm going to change it to 109@gmail.com. Okay, now that we're going to do that, we're going to press enter. Should be replaced. To verify the replacement, you can also cat the file. So if I say task.toml, you can see that it's updated. This satisfies all required schema fields, and you will then change the email later. This will affect anything. This won't affect it, so add required shell tests to create the missing file. So there's some test folder that was supposed to be having. So you can see over here, there's a test folder. Inside it should have a test.sh file. So it would continue having these architecture and the other ones. Uh, Verify structure. So to find, we're going to run this command, find.maxdepth2 type F. You can see over here we have to verify that we have instruction. Instruction, I don't see that. Okay, so I'll say, let me say when I ran. Okay. I got this in WSL Ubuntu uh, in the following current directory. All right. So we have submission.zip, instruction.md. I don't see that file. Oh, there it is. Task.toml. Some solution Docker file, environment Docker file. Solution architecture. Solution analyze architecture.py. Solution solve.sh. Test underscore basic. Okay. .py test.psh. Output architecture.md, and then we have output architecture.dot in the lowercase. Okay, it's correct. Before re-uploading, we must make sure task.toml actually contains the required fields, not just exists. Run this and paste the output if it looks wrong. Okay, so we'll just cat the task.toml command. So we're gonna run copy and then paste it here. So you'd see over here we have version, author name, email, difficulty tag category timeout. Um, okay. Then after that, what we do, recreate zip root files. So we're gonna recreate these zip root files using this command: zip-r submission.zip submission.md test environment test. Okay. After that, we unzip. So okay. Now see what happens. So let's go to that directory. Should update it to today's date. No, refresh it. Okay, you can see over here submission 12/26, 12/28. This is the most latest one, so I'll just copy that and I'll delete this one and upload this one. Should upload it. Clear feedback rules and check analyze. So once this is running, we will make sure the other parts are submitted. So yeah. Yeah, so just it's gonna analyze it, let it analyze. We in the meantime can go to the Ubuntu screen. Okay, re-upload. Just go to terminal, bin submission, upload new submission. Click fast static checks. Expect all static checks pass. Submit button becomes active. Submit platform runs the build Docker build agent execution Oracle evaluation. Task enters review payment. Not rejected. Your environment is not broken. You did not waste time. This is the most common. So first submission. Ones that reply with one of the following. Oh, it's stay. Okay, so we delete that and go back to this section. Why in the world is it keep failing, man? I got this now in the submission page. Man, why is it so much like that, bro? So let's go back to this architecture now. One of the following build and dependency management, data processing, machine learning. On the log, architecture analysis, invalid category must be one of them. Everything else is difficulty, check status, environment, okay. Exact fix, you just need to change one field task, DOMA. Architecture analysis, why in the world do we have to build this stuff? I don't even see architecture analysis in here. With one of the following values for your kata task, the correct. Okay, so what we're gonna do is, so your metadata section should look like this. Ah, okay. That's it, nothing else. Bro, cat. So it's saying category. So they want to change the category from architecture analysis to software engineering medium. Okay. Okay. Bro, I can't find. Okay, let me just. Alright. Yeah, so this is task.toml, end of file. So we have cat. Okay, right here. Engineering. Software. Okay. Clear. Um, we're gonna rezip the thing. Alright. And then good check is this one, unzip. Now we're gonna re-upload that new one. Okay, you can refresh. It's gonna update it with the time, 10:34. It's super late, bro. But yeah, this year is also ending. $10.34. I don't know, man. So we're just gonna submit this, analyze it. Yeah, I think we should have a tutorial on Cursor, Cursor IDE. There should be like a YouTube tutorial. Why is it like this, bro? Cursor. Cursor IDE tutorial. What is Texas' new megacity? Texas creating its next megacity, whether it's ready or not. Cursor tutorial. There you go. You know, other people might have the tutorial, and I know this guy. He's one of the best YouTubers out there. I mean, he gets the opportunity to create a tutorial on anything. It's crazy that I used to learn with this guy too, and even
Imagine
this.
being able to build anything just by thinking about it.
One of the best.
Meet Base 44.
This video is going to cover absolutely everything. And okay, now we got another error. So I'm just going to copy the error and say, you know, this error now. That's the power of Git. When we code, not just for Cursor.
It's crazy. I mean,
Today we're checking out Cursor AI, an AI-powered code editor that promises to make your development significantly easier. Now, I've been using this for the past few weeks. It's pretty interesting, and I wanted to make a quick tutorial on it to share with you what to make a new folder. Preferences, this feature that is, you need to actually like copy part. If I wanted to, I can change this around. Now, with that in mind, I'm only able to use this really effectively because I already know how to code. Now, sure.
Yeah, that's the thing. That was the thing. That's the thing of Cursor, and I think if it demands, if people want this tutorial, I would give that, but you know, it depends on everyone else. Finally, this passed, which is good news, and I can finally submit it. Guys, submitted. So I can go here in the Slack, and I'll just say submitted the work. Submitted the task successfully. Continue. So, I mean, if you go here, this was the first one. I mean, I think this is what we did. Now we're in this one. Yeah. Submitted it. Now want one for this. Tell me exactly everything. A to from start to finish for this one. Next task. Audio library. YouTube audio library.
With USAA Safe Pilot, I can save when I drive safely.
With USAA Safe Pilot.
I'm walking alone, the streets are empty. The only thing I can see is my own silhouette. I'm getting stronger, step by step. The clock is ticking, but there's no time for regrets. I've been flying from town to town, from London to Taiwan. I've been all around the globe trying to protect your soul. We are heroes tonight. We will fly above the sky. We are heroes tonight.
So much.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left.
I just hope I don't get copyrighted.
And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go.
car insurance with Lemonade, you get a price based on you. If you drive less,
But gravity pulls you straight down.
This is so 2014. Alright guys, let's go back to the work. So yeah, so I had to say also make sure that I'm like, why is this so messed up, man? Hmm. Guide me uh, from scratch. Oh man, I think I did 4 times from scratch. Oh, since I'm in the following directory. Alright, it's not this link, bro. Man, one of my dreams is to become a successful YouTuber. I just want to be a YouTuber, bro. It's my dream. And we can make it possible if you guys support me. And we can make a lot of subscribers for the next year. Right now, no one's watching, but it's okay. We had more people coming in the stream yesterday. I don't know. I'm thinking of also double starting Twitch. I had a twitch.tv. Um,
What's
I
up,
don't.
John? I'm doing good. How are you?
Who is this? Bro, what kind of verifications are they asking me? It's been a long time I didn't log in to Twitch.
It's like your entire high school. Your high.
Let's
Alright,
see.
channel. I have followers, but I didn't even do anything about it, so. Customize layout, chat, about, schedule. I mean, it's like only scheduling. Why can't you just do it now? Okay. Channel. Get bits, whispers, notifications, new with Luna. I don't even know how to use this app, honestly. It's so weird. Close, advanced, offline, it just says. Bro, make me online. How do you make it online? Or do you have to only schedule it? I don't even know how to use this. But let me know if you guys want to watch me on Twitch, because I do have a channel here. Yeah, if you want, then I'll start regularly doing these live coding sessions on Twitch as well. It depends on what is going to help monetize faster. But if we see success, no, it's good. Only calling scratch for 0 missing steps. Here's starting here. Host WSL. For the new tab, we'll create a brand new folder. Do not reuse the old one. So new task overview. Okay, so let's go here. I'm just gonna explain some of the stuff. We're in Ubuntu, right? We must create a custom Flake 8 plugin. The plugin must detect calls to functions decorated with @must-use. It will flag cases when the return value is ignored and emit error code MUU100. Register the plugin with Flake 8. Provide a script that runs Flake 8 on app source, runs a Sarif report to applint.sarif, and package everything to the evaluator and run it automatically. First, we're going to go fresh. We're going to create a fresh project folder, host machine. So we're going to we're going to go to the terminus folder. So if you remember, the terminus folder is right here. So I'm just going to go cd and then tilde. That's going to bring us back to the terminus folder. After that, we're going to create a folder here. It's going to call Flake8 must use plugin. And then we're going to cd into that folder. So like that. Now we should be here, which is right there. After that, required directory structure. Create exactly this structure. First of all, we're going to create a source folder. So I'm going to copy this. We're going to create a plugin folder. If anyone knows in the chat what this -p flag does, then let me know. Or before if I research it. If you guys know about it, write in the chat. And then we're going to create a folder of tests. So source, plugin, and tests. We have 3 different folders. You can view the structure using the ls command. So if I do that, you'll see now we have plugin, source, and test, just like how we created those. mkdir, you already know, means make directory. Now we're going to implement the Flake 8 plugin. We're going to create a plugin file. So the plugin is going to be in Python. And since we're using EOF, so it's going to look something like this. Now, what you can't see right now is we're going to make the plugin discoverable by Flake 8. Flake 8 requires entry points. Then we're going to create an entry point, which is called setup.py. So if I go back here, this is the setup.py. And we're going to create the example code to lint. So we're going to create some example source code. This is called what Flake 8 will analyze. So we're going to copy that. We're just going to put that example source code, which is right there. And then we are going to test script Sarif output, create a runner. So test script Sarif output, run lint sh. And to make the script executable, we use the chmod command. I know you're pretty familiar with character mod +x, and then that just makes it executable, this script run lint. Now we're going to create a Docker file, so create the Docker file inside. Alright, so you already see Python slim rec directory. We're going to install the Flake 8 Sarif. We're going to have the app install pip and all that. And then validation. Local validation is very important. First, we're going to build. So we're going to say docker build -t flake 8 -muu. Okay, we got some warnings, but those warnings are fine. And we also got Docker run. So Docker run hyphen hyphen rm flake 8m uu. And now verify output exists. So if I do lint.serif, okay, lint.serif, we don't have this freaking file. Let's see, where are we? Why doesn't lint.serif exist? I know, I got a couple of warnings as well. So let's see what happened. This is a normal Docker isolation issue. I'll explain exactly what happened. You gave the two-line fix and final submission safe setup. So why lint serif is missing? Yeah, when we did lint.serif. Okay, bro, clear that. Clear this console screen, bro. It's too much junk inside. Copy this. Docker run hyphen rm flake 8mu what your Docker does. So I'm just gonna copy that and I'm gonna paste it here. Okay, bro. What you ran, what your docker, doctor, docker. Okay, we can work directory hyphen app cmd run lint.sh. What run lint.sh does is flake8 app source format serif. Man, what the heck? What actually happened? Lint serif was created, but it was created inside the container file system where hyphen rm exists. Exits containers destroyed file where disappears expected behavior. This is not an error and will pass evaluation. The evaluator does not expect lint.serif on your host machine. What the heck do you want me? For your confidence? Run without hyphen rm. Copy it. Run container in background. Run container in background. So if you run this friggin' container in the background, copy serif file output. Copy cp. Okay, successfully copy and clean up. MUU test. Now, oh man, what the heck? Now if you do lslint.serif, now you can see it. Required for submission, one small improvement recommended for evaluators. Some evaluators prefer explicit plugin enablement, update, run lint, do this. So we're gonna copy that and gonna change that. Rebuild the Docker thing. So it's gonna, okay, successfully tagged flake. Built that file submission. I'm gonna copy that, make sure all of these things are added. Unzip that thing. Alright. Now, if you go to the polyglot terminus, this one, we got a new one. Let's try to submit this one now. Let's see. Somehow, snoop, 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 snoop. Let's see what happens now. Check feedback. Polyglot. Man, I think I should change my thumbnails now. It's the same, and it's not giving that much success, I guess. Ones that reply with depends on it. So there you All right, guys, let's go back to the fresh project folder, host. How are your holidays? How are your happy holidays going? You can leave your comments in the chat. I mean, I don't see how much messages today. Yesterday we got a couple of messages from people, which was pretty cool to see. Let's see some of our YouTube Studio analytics as well for the audience. So yesterday we got a couple of views. Um, so this is my channel so far. I've seen yesterday. Wow, we had like 164 people on the channel, which was growing. It was good to see some people inside the channel for a long time. So, I mean, live count, it's pretty much staying like that. If you look at 23 and then 24, I got 5 additional, but it's honestly very slow. Very, very slow. If you look at the start of December, it was 114 and it's 160. It's slow, honestly. I mean, I'm just, according to big YouTubers, it's pathetically slow. Um, I don't know how we can make it better. Estimated revenue. Yeah, I mean, every day is just making a couple of cents. You can see how pathetic that is, bro. I don't know how we can make it better with that. I mean, I was looking at my other channel, the vlogging channel, if you guys haven't seen that one. Okay, we got an issue here. Okay. Let's see. I got this. Alright, so let's just go back to the terminal window. This failure is 100% structural, not logic related. Your plugin code is fine. I'll explain what exactly has failed. Then give you a copy paste fixes and the correct final zip layout so that the next submission process static checks immediately. Now, task.toml and the test.sh doesn't exist. What means that Workbench always expects these two files at the root of the submission. Task.toml and test.sh, the canonical verifier entry point. So we need to add these two files to create these. It's pretty simple. All you gotta do is, oh man. So, okay. So 1 second. I'm gonna copy this over here and let's see. This email gotta fix up. All right. Now use allowed category, include all the required fields, matches your type. So, what is this? Bro, what the heck? Create tests. I got task.toml. Okay, first we're gonna create the folder tests. And within the test folder, we're gonna create this thing. Now, our structure would look something like this. Auto eval only looks for test.h, and it doesn't care about your logic lines and run lint.sh. The file is officially verified or hook. Final required set. Your zip should look that rebuild that zip. So if you look at it, so we have a submission.zip, right? But it should have a Docker file. It should have a setup.py. It should have a runlint.sh. It should have a task.toml. It should also have plugin folder. It should also have a source folder. It should also have the test folder. So after that, we should be able to rebuild that zip folder for the submission.zip using this command. Oh man, what am I even doing, bro? So it's basically this one. Alright, so now that's updated, we'll use verification one is like unzip-l. Unzip-l submission.zip, and this is just going to verify it. And then you'll see that submission here, refresh it, see the updated version, 1 a.m. here in Austin, Texas. So let's go and delete that one, old one. Cancel, delete, remove, upload, submit, should be removed, clear feedback, analyze. If this goes well, then we go on to the next one. And that's the last one, hopefully. Yeah, we got that one. Amazing. Okay, so hopefully we can do it within this 1 hour. We'll have like 10 minutes left. So let's go here into the YouTube channel. This is my other YouTube channel. I started this one earlier than the vlogging channel. I mean, the coding channel. But it doesn't have that much success, and I hope I get more subscribers. So, I mean, I barely get hours, watch hours. Now we got a dislike in that one. It's crazy. So, I mean, there are going to be some videos that might unlist. So, why not we just unlist all of them, bro? Make them public. We have no content to share. Alright, so, I mean, we used to have more of them. Let's go over here. Let's see. What in the world? I made a video for Z.co. I remember it was some kind of sponsorship. I can't even hear anything in this one. Maybe there was, what, how the heck did it have 43 likes, bro? Bro, what in the world is this? Who in the world used this video? How to get 43 likes? I don't understand that. Bro, just do it. What's gonna happen, bro? Just make everything public. Bro, I'm gonna do all of this. Amazing math trick. I mean, I thought I had all. It's just, this was my first ever YouTube video. Back in 2019, bro. I used to work so hard on YouTube, bro. I was so passionate in these months, August, September, October. The craze of YouTube, just trying to become.
Hey YouTube, back again with another video. And in this video, I'm going to be unboxing. I think this could break in a week. Stuff which are not even in use of this.
So, yeah. Oh man. So, yeah, let's go back here. Let's see if that's submitted properly or not. There you go. And now continue. We can say this is also submitted for review. And we got this last one. Uh, all right. So let's go back here. Or it submitted successfully. Can now do the same exact thing for this one. So the last one, we're building a building a Flake 8 plugin. What the heck? Again, Flake 8. So let's see. So we're making a custom Flake 8. Polygon. Okay. Custom Flake 8 plugin that enforces project convention. Banning wildcards. Yeah. So we're doing that. Okay. So required output Flake8 plugin, AST based, distinct error codes, autofix hints, messages or autofix guidance, runnable via Flake8 and terminal bench compliant submission. So create a clean project. We're gonna from Ubuntu. Host Ubuntu. Let's see, CD ls. I'm gonna create a new one which is called Flake8 project conventions, bro. We're gonna go inside that particular directory. All right. There's nothing in here, so you're not going to see anything. We're going to have a structure, do not deviate, so we have a Docker file and all that. Core logic, so we're going to have first of all the plugins folder, conventions and all that stuff. So, yeah, buddy. Okay, so one other thing is no such file or directories. ls. Okay, we're going to have to create a folder called plugin first. I mean, this stupid thing doesn't even know that we're supposed to be creating a folder first. So mkdir hyphen plugin. Plugin like that. Let's see. Bro, in the plugin folder we have the conventions.py file. So we're just gonna paste it here. ls. Register the plugin. So we're gonna have the setup file. I hope this is the setup. Bro, this is the same stupid thing. I'm talking about the setup.py file. After that, we have the Docker file. And then we have the runlint.sh file. We have example.py file. Bro, we don't have a source folder. Then we have this copy file. Then we have test folder. And then within the test folder, we have test.sh. Then we have a task.toml file. Bro, this is really messed up because I always gotta update this. Gmail. Exist or eval fails. Alright, now let's get the zip file done. To verify that submission. Bro, bro. We're about to do. And then let's go to the folder. So where in the world are we? So I think it's this one. And this is the 115. 115, bro. 115. So let's just check that feedback. Hopefully it should work. Oh yeah. So one other thing that we gotta do now is, because I don't know if you guys are watching this. Tasks. The sofa. Hold me, no. Copy image address. And I could put NCS on. Bro, it failed that thing. I don't know what kind of work is this, honestly. For these freaking 3 tasks, it took me so much time. Oh man, so we go to the saddle when it burns. Tony Tower. Okay, we got some kind of issue here in the terminus thing. So I'll show you what happened. So you failed the important part, which is the line is logs in the key. What's happening? Example intentionally had import. This means rough failed starts. To fix this is required. Remove wildcard imports from source. Let still demonstrate your plugin via test. Let flake not rough catch the violation. You're currently in Flake8 project conventions. Fix source example.py. Replace it with so rough clean code. So it should have this thing. No wildcard or imports. Create a test-only file to exercise your plugins. Fixtures, and inside the fixtures folder, just copy this one. After that, it ignores test fixtures, your plugin. Update run lint to include text fixtures. After that, what we're going to do, confirm locally, but optional but safe. I'm just going to confirm it locally. Bro, I hate when it does that. Okay, we're just going to copy this one. And then we're going to run. Bro. This is what happened when I tried confirming it locally. No module named plugin. Target directory layout. Your repo must look exactly like this. Init.py doesn't have. So touch plugin. Run this now. So if we clear it, ls. So what the thing is saying is that we should have a Docker file. We should have a runlint.sh. We should have a Docker file. We should have a task.toml. We should have runlint.sh. We should also have test folder. Inside the test folder, we should have fixtures, and inside that would have badcode.py. Source would have another thing inside, which is example.py, and the plugin folder should have init.py and the other thing. So when we ran that command, now if we confirm the plugin folder, so I did this right. So when I say plugin, I should have two things, which is init and checker. Okay, we got, instead of checker.py, we have conventions.py. I don't know why we got that. Mm, mm. You have two valid options. Option A is the safest. I strongly recommend it. Recommend match setup.py to conventions.py. Open setup.py from, I don't know if nano. You are one rename or one setup edit away from passing. Previous setup, your Flake8 was almost a certain pointing to plugin.checker. which does not exist. This mismatch is white flake. Save limit. The correct fix. Bro. I don't have nano, so. Bro, exit this out. Fucking. And make sure it looks like this. I'll just replace that. So. I do have nano. Exit. Save. Okay, if you want option B, alternative, verify before Docker. Run this locally, Python. Bro, I don't have Python there. Python 3, bro. Okay, it says plugin import okay. Why is it eating up everything? Copy this Docker build. Then copy the Docker run. Bro, why is it happening? No traceback. I'm getting a traceback. Charles Chevrons. I wonder what happened to his your course. Your past Docker not packaging. This is a pure Python naming mismatch. Actually defines the checkers nano plugin conventions. Your setup.py entry point must exactly match the class names defined in the plugin whatever that thing is. So your setup.py. So nano plugin.conventions.py or sd if you prefer. Check your actual class names. You should see something like the one in this pattern. Common mistake, wildcard. I don't even see that. Oh yeah, there you go. Wildcard imports or Python class. Setup.py says this one. This class does not exist. Flake crashes. Class names recommended. Edit plugin.conventions.py. What are we even in? Import AST. Okay. The whole thing. Do not rename these classes after this. So copy this. Man, this is gonna take so long, bro. I don't know why we waste so much time. Outside, you'll see a lot of cars parked in a parking lot. Oh, man. How much is left, bro? addicted to soda now. Comment which soda do you like the most? I'm I like Dr. Pepper for some reason now. Has a good taste. Bro, why does it look so weird? Entry points. Yeah, I mean it looks the same. Flake8.extensions, PC001, PC002, PC003, plugin.conventions, wildcard import checker, mutable default checker, and then we have public annotation checker. We're good. We're good, bro. We're good. Fast local sanity check important. Run this before Docker. And this sanity check, we should have Python 3 inside. All checkers import correctly. Come on, bro. Just get this done. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. I don't know how I keep ignoring these warnings, and I'm like, it should be fine, you know. Um, lint.serif, no such serif. It said to me last time too. It should okay, let's see. Flake8 conventions should be updated with the new time. Mm, bro, I gotta get that done quickly. Clear, delete. Okay, let's see where we are now. It's analyzing. Yeah, bro. Let's just cover these people as well. I think I got this person as well. So we just need to remove them and only that guy in this who's taking the selfie should exist. So we could have to get the kid also removed. So yeah, I hope that it gets accepted now. Covering the. All right. Remove the people. Let's see. All right, so let's see. Okay, we still get problem, bro. Why are we keep getting problems for this one? The plugin log is now correctly what's below the plugin. Yeah. Now your foot. What failing in the platform's own static checks. Fix is 10 per TB. Tell rough to ignore F403 in terminal banks. Fix option recommended. Add Noca 503. Nano test fixtures bad code. Bro, what in the world? Nano test fixtures bad code. Change line 1 to math. Import from math, import all. What in the world? That's it. I have this friggin' line. So it's just X, yes. Rough.toml. Other option is valid, but option A is simpler and safer. Why was there a dot there, bro? It shouldn't. It shouldn't be. One 136. Bro, why does everyone... So I didn't even remove? Why? I said to remove those, remove the people from the image. I said remove it, man. Why in the world? Bro, I'm not even sure we're gonna be... It's not even removing it. Finally. Bro, this is so dumb because it's not even cropping it. It's so weird. Um, yeah, what we can do is cancel that. And I was assuming that it was gonna work like that from the image. I can like add more. Yeah, whatever. I mean, I'm trying to, but the guy's still being there. Apply crop. Add the two female images to the leftmost side and to the actual image photo of the male person taking a selfie while the kid, the boy, image of the boy is to the right of the same male person. It should be similar to that, bro. Yeah. Yep. Uh, so yeah, I mean we got a screenshot of this 1.83, bro. I think that's it for the stream today. Thanks for watching. Yeah. Which ID is this? What are you are you a software engineer? Yep, I am. Thanks for tuning in to this live stream. It was a long one. We had some people in and out, but yeah, thanks Ahmad, thanks Hamad for watching. Um, and yeah, thanks. Stick around. Hopefully for next year we can get even bigger subscribers, more views, and inshallah, coding cleverly बहुत आगे जाएगा for the next year 26. So stay tuned and subscribe and support the channel and let's grow to 1 million subscribers. Peace out.